Now that we've looked at what fitting a line to a set of points means in the simple linear regression context, let's look at the actual calculation of the coefficients that produce the best fitting straight line. We're going to use the formulas on page 341, 11.7 and 11.8 to find the coefficients b1 and b0. The first part of the process of finding b1 and b0 is to find the mean of the x variable and the y variable. So here we will find the average for length of stay. Again, it's 3.15 days, and when we drag that to the right, we have the average for total charges. Now the formula for B1 says that it is equal to the sum of the quantity x minus x bar times y minus y bar divided by the sum of the quantity x minus x bar squared. So first components for the formula that we will find are x minus x bar and y minus y bar. In D2, we will say that this value is equal to the first length of stay, x, minus the mean of length of stay, and we'll fix the mean of length of stay with an F4 and copy this all the way down. Now y minus y bar is essentially the same thing. We'll just drag this to the right and change this part of the formula to the mean of total charges and click that all the way down. Now we have basically all of the pieces needed for the calculation of B1 and B0. As figure 11.5 shows, B1 and B0 are calculated in these two cells. So here I will calculate B1. The formula for B1 is as follows: equal, and we'll use the Excel function sum product, which will multiply this column and a comma times this column, or x minus x bar times y minus y bar, and we will divide that sum product by, and we may need to move just a little bit to the right to see the result here. We'll move back in a minute. By sum square of x minus x bar. Close that, and when I hit enter, I get 803.9868. This is the value of B1. And if you will recall from our previous video clip, we had estimated B1 at 800 simply on the basis of our observation of the line within the context of the points and the concept of minimizing the sum of the squared errors. Now B0 can be found as equal to the mean of y minus B1 times the mean of x, or length of stay, and the intercept is 1.062. So the result of this calculation is to say that for every additional day of stay in the hospital, costs go up by $803, and the fixed cost of the hospital stay for any number of days is $1,062.